What is up, YouTube? We're back, and like I said in the last video at the end, hopefully we're gonna have the seat in. We do, so let's go check it out. Alright, and we're back, and if you notice, we got that seat. Yeah. Only problem is, with the seat being like it is, I barely reach the pedals anymore. Yeah, like I'm stretching. Like I have to like sit up here for even just a decent grab, because normally I'm like up here. So, I mean, I could work it. I don't think I'd want to work it like this, so I might have to take it out and purchase the actual proper seat for mine. So, darn. So I might have to take it out and put it back in the right way. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's really bright outside. Today we're going to be washing the cars. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I'm sorry. We kind of ran into some legal problems with Rose and cops not doing their job properly. So maybe I'll give you a spiel, or let her give you the spiel at some point. But right now we're going to wash the cars because they're dirty as AF. So yeah, let's go ahead and get Alright guys, now that the car is fully dry, and thanks to the help of my lovely wife, we're gonna move my car out of the garage completely, put it on the road. Hopefully nobody hits it. I'm pulling the Subaru so we can wash it, pull it in the back so the sun doesn't dry it all out, dry it up, and move my car back in. Alright, so we'll see you guys there. Exactly what I did for mine. Hey, why don't I have water? Oh, I turned it off. Can you turn it off? Perfect. Alright guys, we just got done cleaning both cars. Both cars are looking nice and clean. I hope you guys enjoyed the cinematics. And we got something new for the GTR because that leak is not gonna fix itself at some point. I'll go show you guys real quick. Alright guys, and we're back. Like I told you, we got us a new part. As you guys can see, they are the gaskets. I know this one I believe goes to the rear main seal. This one is the transmission. If anybody knows what this part is, do put it down in the comments and let me know what it is. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to get this done. Don't know what I do because I don't have the proper tools or the proper setup in the garage to even lift the car up high enough alone. So probably have to take it to somebody to get it done, and everywhere I'm looking it's like $600 or more. Bear with me. Like I said, this is a balling on the budget kind of build. I know you can't really do that with these cars, but this is life. I mean, I got a house payment, 2 car payments, life. So bear with me as I purchase little tiny things here and there to keep the vlogs going and bring more content. But in all reality, I'm saving up because that transmission stuff needs to get fixed. It's gonna all happen at one time, and it's gonna take a large chunk of money, so I need to save up. Bear with me guys, we got some more content coming up. Stay tuned for the next video because this car is gonna look a little different, just a little bit. So stay tuned for the next video. If you think you know what it is, it's a cosmetic mod, sort of. Also, let me know what you guys think is gonna be in the next video. All right, peace out. Like, comment, subscribe also, and we'll see you next time.